current Dogelon Mars cost truly is $0.000001725. Dogelon Mars cost examination explicitly is negative today, or so they truly thought. Elon in every way that really matters rose 1.42% in 7 days, or so they especially thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Dogelon Mars explicitly is drifting at $1,078,656. 24 September 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and basically attempt to answer these much of the time, truly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what certainly is transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars in every practical sense. Is Elon a kind of wise venture, or so they sort of thought? Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. In any case, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Elon specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the exceptionally current economic situations. Showing how current Dogelon Mars cost basically is $0.000001725. Dogelon Mars cost examination most certainly is negative today in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,043,861,656,281. By and large further appearance, how 24-hour exchanging volume for Dogelon Mars sort of is floating at $1,078,656 in a very enormous manner. The extremely all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $17,771,514,007 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15% in a quite huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time period in a genuinely significant manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, really is somewhere near 1.24 and right now exchanging at 50 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is very huge. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market essentially is going in an especially descending heading for pretty transient in an especially enormous manner. Right now, a sort of broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars execution. The everyday outline of Dogelon Mars most certainly shows that the Elon cost in every practical sense has a sort of descending development with a 2.51% lessening in beautiful beyond 24 hours in a significant way. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin explicitly is remaining at $0.00000475525, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars in a huge manner. Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume especially is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. By and by, Elon especially is an image coin without essentially much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, most certainly further appearance how the value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin truly is remaining at $0.00000475525, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars in a genuinely huge manner. In any case, taking into account it especially has a powerful blend of most certainly a few exceptionally memeable credits in its title: Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars. Dogelon Mars could explicitly like quickly if the extremely in general cryptographic money market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments, exhibiting that practically speaking. Elon really is an image coin without certainly much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, sort of additional appearance, how the value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon, coin especially is remaining at $0.0000047525, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. How most certainly numerous Dogelon Mars, Elon, coins sort of are there available for use in an unpretentious manner. The very all-out supply of Elon explicitly is 1 quadrillion, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Half of all Elon tokens in every practical sense have been explicitly shipped off Vitalik Buterin, the organizer behind Ethereum, with an end goal to generally consume the tokens and truly eliminate them from dissemination really, which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. This sort of is like Shiba Inu's methodology, despite the fact that it at first disturbed the Shiba Inu by and large symbolic cost, in light of the fact that Vitalik especially chose to generally give the tokens to good cause, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time period, which basically is very critical. The excess stockpile of Elon generally is for all time secured in the liquidity pool, with a very current coursing supply of 553 billion Elon, which explicitly shows that notwithstanding, taking into account it certainly has a powerful blend of pretty a few exceptionally memeable credits in its title, Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars, Dogelon Mars could all things considered. Light quickly if the general cryptographic money market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments, exhibiting that by and by, Elon generally is an image coin without essentially utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask. Kind of additional appearance how the value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon, coin generally is remaining at $0.0000047525, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, or so they in a real sense thought. How sort of is the Dogelon Mars organization got in an especially significant manner. Elon generally is an ERC20 sort of token on Polygon and Ethereum, which sort of is one of the most famous blockchains and the go-to answer for especially many kind of decentralized applications, exhibiting that notwithstanding, taking into account it generally has a powerful mix of certainly a few exceptionally memeable credits in its title, Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars. Dogelon Mars could by and large like quickly if the truly generally speaking cryptographic money market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments, exhibiting that by and by, Elon truly is an image coin without kind of much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask. Especially further appearance how the value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon, coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.0000047525, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars.